Hi, I'm Michael Salvartis, the Principal Buyers Agent from Real Property Buyers.
Hello, I'm Jo Natoli. I'm the Principal of the Rental Specialists.
Today we're in Pyrmont at Elizabeth Healy Park. We're going to discover Pyrmont, so let's have a chat.
Pyrmont's one of Sydney's smallest suburbs at just 0.9 square kilometres, but it's high density. There are 13,000 residents and 92% of them are living in apartments.
Median sale prices for a 2-bedroom unit in Pyrmont is $1,080,000. There's very limited stock in Pyrmont, but median house prices for Pyrmont are $1.7 million.
Interestingly, 2/3 Pyrmont residents are renters, so that makes it a really good area for investors who are investing for the longer term. Demand primarily comes from its proximity to the Sydney University and the UTS, and professionals are drawn to the area because of its walking distance to the city.
Pyrmont is going through a significant development period.
It's coming onto people's radar, and if I had some money, I'd certainly be investing in it. The proximity to the city, the amenity that it's going to have, I like it. Although it's a really built-up area, there is actually a lot of green space around in Pyrmont. One of the highlights of Pyrmont, in fact, is Pyrmont. On the waterfront, there's a range of facilities. There's kids' play equipment. There are free barbecues. It's very, very modern and offers views to the city and to Barangaroo.
The biggest project is the redevelopment of the fish markets. This redevelopment is going to include an extended waterside promenade, new recreational wharf and ferry, an amphitheatre overlooking the city skyline.
And don't forget the new metro station stop at Pyrmont, so another transport option for tenants and residents living in the area. We can never have too many transport options available.
High prices are being achieved in Pyrmont for relatively small unit sizes. There's a lot of development plan and redevelopment in place, and I think the time that it took for the redevelopment of the convention centre has taken some of the locals away from the area. Okay, it's also not the new go like Barangaroo is. Things are starting to get better in the area, so people are coming back. But one of the concerns I have is that we still don't have a clear concept or scheme in terms of what's happening to White Bay. So you're not going to see a massive jump in value straight away, and it really is a long-term investment.
That's right, it is a long-term investment, and what landlords need to consider is the cost of holding those properties moving forward. When you start paying for things like concierge and pools and gymnasiums and other resort-style facilities, that translates into higher strata levies, and those costs need to be considered when you're considering a purchase and looked at in terms of the rental returns that you're going to achieve. So Michael, overall, from an investor's point of view, I really like Pyrmont. I think it's got fantastic long-term potential, and tenants love living here. There's so much to offer tenants in terms of proximity to the city and the amenity. I'm giving it a 4 out of 5.
I think from an investment point of view, I pretty much agree with your rating. From an owner-occupation point of view, I'd probably be at a 3.5. But I think once there's clarity around the redevelopment of White Bay and also the completion of the fish markets and the promenade, I can see real upside here. So I'd probably revisit it at a 4.